Yeah, it's nuts. I think this is the first time we're seeing the movie with a real audience, with real people. Not to say that my castmates are not real. People of the general public. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to everyone. Oh, Harrison's here. I'm looking forward to everyone seeing it, and I'm looking forward to everyone having a good time. I know. I wasn't involved in obviously the earlier movies, but to just be a part of the jigsaw puzzle of such a legacy is absolutely insane to me. At the beginning of this, we could have never imagined shooting 3 movies over the course of these years, and to be here right now, it's kind of weird. It's actually mad. But I feel good.